What peppermint oil actually is. Peppermint is an herb native to the Mediterranean, part of the same family as mint. Its leaves hold a high concentration of oil, which gets extracted and turned into the essential oil you find on shelves today. That oil carries analgesic, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties, which is exactly why it has earned a spot in so many wellness routines, especially for anyone looking to breathe a little easier. The menthol effect on your airways. The key player inside peppermint oil is menthol. The moment you inhale it, menthol delivers a cooling sensation strong enough to soothe a sore, scratchy throat. But its effects do not stop there. Research shows menthol can relax the muscles that line your airways, causing them to open wider. That means more room for oxygen to move through your lungs with less effort. Why it shows up in chest rubs. Long before it became a bottled supplement, peppermint oil was already a staple in chest rubs, used to ease congestion when your chest feels heavy or blocked. That tradition has stuck around for a reason. The same cooling, opening effect that soothes your throat also helps clear the way when you are feeling stuffed up. What peppermint oil cannot do. Peppermint oil is not a bronchodilator. It will not replace albuterol or any other prescription medication used to manage a respiratory condition. Think of it as a natural complement, not a cure. If you live with asthma, COPD, or another lung condition, talk to your doctor before adding peppermint oil or any essential oil to your routine. A quick note: this is shared for general education, not medical advice. It is not a substitute for a conversation with your doctor, especially when it comes to diagnosing or treating any health condition.